Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of March. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Pisces? Nakabalanse na ba sa imahinasyon at realidad? Kamusta, kamusta, kamusta? Still dreamy ang mga Pisces? Alright? Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of March. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Alright? Before we start, remind ko lang uli kayo, hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo at magdo-door to door. Okay? If you're ready to have your personal reading, just send me a direct message. At ang palatandaan na nag-iisa at legit na account natin, isa lang po ang fina-follow natin, which is yung backup account with na Kay Angeles 11. Okay? Pisces. So, you feel betrayed by a relationship na inisip mo yung long term dito. Okay? Para sa'yo, eto na, very stable. Para sa'yo ay, eto na sana yung long term mo. Eto na yung nakikita mo yung sarili mo long term, yung future mo, companion mo. But may toxicity sa connection na to. Sabi ng feminine sa connection na to, nag-iimbestiga siya, being very discerning, at right now, nasa crossroads kung ano ba talaga yung gagawin at kung ano ba talaga yung dapat decision for this connection, to stay or to walk away. Nagkaroon ng mga Pisces ng overthinking, maraming tinanggap na non-negotiable about this connection. But hanggang ngayon, it feels like nakatali ka pa rin energetically sa person na to. Bakit? Kung nasasaktan ka sa relationship, you have to balance, no, yung sarili mo. Kasi iba yung nararamdaman mo para sa tao. Iba yung how you feel about the person and how this relationship make you feel. Okay? Healthy ba? Tama ba para sa'yo? Nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo long term in this kind of energy na nasasaktan ka, nadidisappoint ka, or kung ano man yung energy na meron dito. Okay? If you're happy in this connection, negotiable naman, tolerable, go for it. But if not, pag-isipang mabuti kung tama at healthy pa bang magstay. Maraming instability sa relationship na to, but very hopeful yung mga Pisces na magto-turn yung wheel sa favor mo at magkakaroon na ng solusyon. Right now, ang daming hardship, ang daming sabihin nating responsibilidad, bayarin, mabibigat na nangyari in the past. Okay? You're very hopeful na mag-turn na ang wheel sa favor mo. I feel parating na. Okay? May isang masculine dito sa connection na to, okay? Yung masculine sa connection na to, hindi naman siya willing na ayusin, ipaglaban, to make things right. Nandun lang siya sa energy nung nakakalungkot, sayang, pero wala namang effort. Okay? Nagkaroon ng agreement about this connection, I feel naging on and off, but hindi naman matatag, okay? Hindi naman well-founded or walang matibay na pundasyon ang relationship na to begin with, at nagkaroon ng paulit-ulit na dysfunction, okay? Hindi nagkaroon ng positive transformation sa relationship na to. Paano nga ba aayos kung paulit-ulit lang yung ginagawang hindi maganda? Eventually, nagkaroon ng walking away, pagpaplano. I feel pareho kayo, okay? Nag-decide kayo, this is walking away and moving forward. Pinagplanuhan nyo naman to na parang hindi na talaga. Okay? The masculine in this connection is not ready to commit. Though, I feel the masculine is like, may hinahanap siya, no? Kung saan ba siya magiging okay. It might feel selfish. But minsan talaga, kapag may hinahanap, no, mahirap pigilan. The person has to find what they are looking for para pag nakita nila yung hinahanap nila, makapag-decide sila na kung ito ba talaga yung gusto nila. Okay? Parang ano lang yan eh. Sabihin natin, nag-online shopping ka, meron ka ng dating, kunwari bag, naghahanap ka pa ulit, or may nakita kang bagong maganda, nalito ka, and iniisip mo, ito ba talaga yon? And hanggat hindi, nabibili, na-check out, hindi and then naibenta yung old item, hindi mo marirealize na parang shocks, parang mas maganda yung dati kong bag na binenta ko, tapos ito parang, we have to experience things, and we have to really know sa atin, no, kung ano ba talaga yung gusto natin, kasi hindi pwedeng sabi lang nung ibang tao. Magkakaroon ng maraming what ifs, and eventually, tayo din, no, we would search for the truth, the experience, kung ano ba talaga yung gusto natin, at kung ano ba talaga yung hinahanap natin. Alright? Nagkaroon ng offer of love and apology in the past, nagkaroon ng communication, and sabi ng feminine, ready naman siya to commit. Nagkaroon ng decision about this connection, na wag munang na mag-hold back ng offer because nagkaroon ng mga maling decision in the past. But it feels like ina-acknowledge niyo naman pareho yung strong connection nyo sa isa't isa. Okay? May prayers and manifestation yung masculine na sana mahanap na niya yung stability na gusto niya, pangarap, building yung mga dreams. Maraming inaayos yung masculine right now about finances, at meron din siyang hinahanap, ano ba yung love? Sino ba talaga yung gusto niya? And if ever, what is he ready for? Okay? In terms of money, naghahanap siya ng stability. In terms of relationship, hinahanap niya kung sino ba talaga yung taong gusto niya at makakasundo niya. Okay? Maraming hinahanap, nawawala ang masculine. Okay? Lagyan ng name tag yan. Lagyan ng ID at address para hindi mawala. Alright, so, right now, ang mga Pisces, maraming hinahanap na wish fulfillment, and you feel na parang, ano nga ba talaga din yung gusto mo? And I feel you walk away from an energy na inakala mong wish fulfillment mo. Your person right now, Pisces, marami din siyang minamanifest about financial stability, and it feels like hindi din naman kayang mag-invest ng buo ng person mo sa'yo because maraming mga doubts. Okay? You might be dealing with the Taurus, Gemini, Aqua, puro earth sign, Capricorn, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so, meron kang mga fear and doubt. Kung yung mga pinapangarap mo bang stability ay darating na, meron ka rin iniisip na reconciliation with the past person na nagkaroon naman ng stability sa inyong dalawa, pangarap, okay? So, meron kang like iniisip, but may mga doubt sa puso mo kung tama pa ba talaga itong reconciliation na iniisip mo, na dinidesire mo. Okay? To heal your heart chakra, Madagascar Rose Quartz, the pink crystal. If you're manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine, yung yellow crystal. Lahat ng crystal natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the enlightened guide. Alright? So, until the end of April, meron kang isang relationship that you feel na hindi ka pa ready to completely let go of it. You're still trying to heal. Ninonurse mo pa rin yung wound na yan. May mga pagkakataon that you feel triggered, nasasaktan ka pa rin. Hindi madali to move forward, to have a new cycle, nakalimutan. The masculine in this connection, may dishonesty din sa kanya if ever na makausap mo to. May mga energy tong masculine. For some of you, hindi naman totally over yung connection. For some of you, nakakausap nyo pa rin ang isa't isa. Na nagbibigay pa rin ng attention, ng energy, ng communication. But it feels like may mga sugar coating ang masculine. May mga konting manipulation ng story. Dishonesty. Alright? someone is manifesting malaking transformation sa relationship na to. Very hopeful. But parang marami na rin nangyari in the past na parang baggages, resentment, na hindi alam kung saan uumpisahan i-fix. Magkakaroon ng pag-uusap, and I feel kung sino man ang magre-reach out, it would be the masculine. May energy of sadness. Pareho kayong hindi pa rin nakaka-move forward. Maaring magdala ng confusion, away, like, maaring magkaroon ng conversation na sabihin na natin sumbatan, na maaaring magdala ng drama at conflict para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, kung ano man yung mga disagreements, this is like walang closure talaga. You haven't let go of each other yet. At until the end of April, may nakikita pa akong potential na pag-uusap. At may like energy of baka magkasagutan kayo because of like open forum. Open forum na you did this, you did that, nasaktan ako, itong ginawa mo. Mahirap magpatawad, mahirap mag-heal. May upcoming na very triggering and very emotional conversation sa inyong dalawa. But kung ano man yung lesson, whether this is like make it or break it conversation, kapag nag-usap ikaw at ang person mo, Pisces, it's either magkaroon ng maayos na reconciliation or magkaroon ng maayos na closure for you to just close this karmic cycle, or you just like i-end to na walang nangyari at may resentment pa rin. Okay? Any more clarification? Stabbing in the back, heartbreak, pain, separation, deception, shocking attack. Okay? So, nagkaroon in the past ng parang hindi inaasahan na pangyayari na nagdala ng heartbreak, pain, separation, but I don't feel na let go nyo na to. And in the next 3 months, hindi ganun kadali na mag-move forward. Hindi ganun kadali na kalimutan. Time with friends, okay? I feel for most of you, you have to have your best friend. Not just kung sinong kaibigan, no? Someone na makakapagbigay sa'yo ng maayos na payo, someone na you look up to, someone na mapagkakatiwalaan mong mabibigyan ka ng like wisdom. Okay? Moving on, happy single. Itong kaibigan na to ang makakapagbigay sa'yo ng wisdom na okay lang muna for you to stay single, to heal, at isipin mo ano ba yung lesson na ibinigay sa'yo ng situation na to. Para magkaroon ka ng clarity kung talagang gusto mo pa tong person na to, or meron ka lang toxic attachment, okay? Or like trauma bond with this person. Healthy ba talaga siyang kasama, or may trauma bond lang kayo? Live in the moment, be happy. And this is also you having the realization na happy ka on your own. Though, hindi ko sinasabing hindi nakakalungkot yung mga nangyari, but hindi ka dapat maiwanan na wasak. You know what I'm trying to say? Nakakalungkot, but hindi ka lugmok. Nasaktan ka, but you don't feel depressed sa pagkakawala ng person na to. Because I feel ang kulang sa'yo right now is yung matinong kausap na magpapayo sa'yo kung ano yung tama for you to help yourself heal and to give you wisdom and to, like, akayan ka, no? Kasi parang for now, it feels like parang you feel so hurt and wounded kung ano man yung nangyari in the past. So, kailangan mo like coach, life coach, okay? Or someone na makakapagbigay sa'yo ng sound advice na it's not the end of the world dahil nawala lang tong person na to. Okay? So, for now, yun lang. Mayroon ako nakikita na pag-uusap. So, kalmahan lang natin to kasi there is a potential na magkasagutan, magkaroon ng exchange ng harsh and ugly words. Okay? to balance your energy. Madagascar Black Tourmaline to ground your energy, anti-negative energy, and anti-evil eye. Alright? Healing the heart chakra, rose quartz, manifesting abundance, citrine. Okay? To have the courage, this is the carnelian. Mental clarity and the energy of like connection with the divine. Okay? You need this amethyst crystal. If you already have this crystal, i-cleanse, bulungan nyo lang ng inyong manifestation. But I highly recommend for you to have yung crystals natin. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. PM nyo lang ako para sa promo. And bukas, no, mag-a-announce ako ng sale. And yeah, PM lang para sa mga crystals. And hopefully, sa ating bonus reading, mas maganda ang energy. Okay? Happy birthday, Pisces! Bye-bye!